welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very interesting topic to talk about, and as you guys can already see here, my little lineup, I'm going to be talking about MONAT or Monet or whatever you choose to call it. This company was introduced to me a couple of months ago by a friend that I used to work with, and she started selling these products and just let me know that, you know, she was recruiting people, basically, that this was a good opportunity for me to sell, and you know, she was like basically raving about these products. So I decided to give the products a try, and today I want to tell you about my experience with the products, my experience with the company itself, and whether I think this is a good company for you to use or a good product for you to use or not. So let's get started. First, can we just like look at my hair today? My hair is like behaving so well. I mean, it's like so pretty. So my first impression of these products, my first impression was that, like, wow, that was my first impression. Just for reference, I have like curly medium thickness hair. My hair gets very frizzy very fast. When I'm using products, I'm very careful to not use products that over dry my hair too much. And on the flip side of that, my scalp actually gets oily very quickly. So I can't use products that are just overly moisturizing either. So I kind of am like that weird in between hair type. With this specific shampoo that I searched, which you can see it's like kind of almost done. This is my favorite shampoo from their line. This is the Renuew Shampoo. And this shampoo, I feel like it's very moisturizing, but not overly, like it doesn't make your hair oily. And it smells delicious. I mean, all of their products overall smell very good. But once I started looking at the ingredients of this shampoo, one by one, I started noticing that, hey, they are pretty natural, overall very good ingredients that are in very good quality shampoos. So, you know, I feel like with this company specifically, you either love them or you hate them. But if you hate them, like, is it because you had a bad experience, or is it because you've just been hearing that online? I decided to give it a try for myself, and I liked this specific shampoo. I also liked this specific conditioner, which is the Intense Repair Conditioner. And this conditioner smells a little bit minty. It smells like eucalyptus. And I personally like that, that scent. And you know, it also has very good ingredients. And it doesn't leave my hair oily, which I also like. Now, if I'm completely honest, the retail price of these tiny bottles, like this is my, so this is my hand. I have like a pretty average hand size. This is the bottle. So it's like a pretty tiny bottle for the price, which is like almost like $32, $30. I don't know, I'll list the price. I don't remember the exact prices of this, but what I'm trying to say is that these are pricey. Like they're not like cheap products. So I don't expect the ingredients to be cheap. Personally, I don't mind spending you know, $30 a bottle for a shampoo that works, you know, wonders on my hair. But I know people do, and I know that there's people that rather get, you know, a huge Tresemme bottle for $5, and you know, that will last them, and that's fine. I personally like to kind of like splurge on my hair. These products I definitely do like. These are one of my favorites. So they have this thermal protect shield, kind of like heat protectant, and they also have this blowout cream. I blow out my hair quite a lot, like twice a week. I have curly hair. People, you know, that love the curly look, I'm with you. I love curly look, but on me, like, it's just so much maintenance. I can't do it. I can't like curl my hair and keep up with it. So I'd rather just wash and blow dry and go. This blowout cream is pretty good. It's like, you know, makes my hair smooth. It does what it's supposed to do. It is quite pricey as well. I'm gonna list all the prices of all these items. It smells great and it is very good, but it's pricey. The products deliver, 100% they deliver. I use specifically these two on my clients. I feel like they work with every single hair type, and I have had no complaints at all. And these two are also great if you're experiencing like any type of hair loss or hair thinning. I personally don't use these as much, but I do use them on like family members or any clients that I style their hair and they are complaining of hair loss or hair fallout. I tend to use these. So this is the Thickening Spray and this is the Intense Repair Treatment. So these are little tiny bottle sprays. Like this is my hand and this is like the size of it. Let me see if you can see it better. This is the size of it. They are very pricey, but you know, are they worth it? If you have an issue, which is if you have hair fallout or if you notice that your hair is thinning, maybe you do want to splurge on products like this because maybe it'll be worth it to you to have a full head of hair. I don't know. For me, I wouldn't splurge on this because I feel like I don't need it. However, I did notice that they are good because the people that are using them report back to me that they are good. Now, my personal favorites that I feel like I would repurchase are these two. So this is the dry shampoo and the texturizing spray. Texturizing spray for me is my favorite out of all of the products. No, I'm lying. No, this is not my favorite. I have another favorite, but the texturizing spray smells divine and it does like texture my hair without making it feel like hard, or I don't know how to describe that, but I've used other texturizing sprays that make my hair feel like I can't run my hands through it, and I don't like that. This one doesn't do that. It's very smoothing, but not overly smoothing. And then the dry shampoo also smells great. I don't use dry shampoo that often, but when I do, I use this one. So these two are very good for me. Now, the holy grail of this company, the best product, is the Rejuvenique Oil. This oil is so good. It smells very citrusy, kind of like lemon, oranges together. And I do use this oil like on my ends, on my hair, on those days that my hair is like, you know, can't be styled and it's already kind of dirty, but I don't want to wash it. I use this oil and I noticed that when I wash my hair, it looks so much shinier and smoother. My hair loves this stuff. I also use it on the first day when I blow on my hair. If I notice that my ends are a little bit like rough, I use this oil and it's amazing. And I've even used this oil on my skin. I would highly recommend it. It retails for like a pretty pricey amount. I don't know, maybe like $80 or 90 bucks, but I would purchase this. This is a really good. Now, the size of it, right? Because it comes in like this tiny little bottle, but when you open it, it's like even smaller, like on the inside. Overall, like this company makes very small products. If you were to compare those products to ones that are on the market already, similar brands that I've used like Bumble and Bumble, Renuew Beauty, or even Rejuvenique, like, yeah, you can go to Sephora and order another brand and probably get more product or about the same amount of product. So like, why would you want to order from MONAT and go through a third party? When you're ordering through MONAT, you're ordering through a market partner is what they call it. And that market partner is someone that is kind of recommending specific products for your hair type. And they kind of send it to you in a cart and you check out with that and you know, you'll get your products. I don't know if I really like that idea of having someone recommend the products to me. With this company, from what I've seen, anyone can join, right? And that's great. Anyone can join. You can recruit people. But when people are joining that are not hair people or hair professionals, you're getting just a regular person that's recommending products that they don't know that will work for your hair, okay? So a lot of the people on social media that are recommending the products have no idea how these products are gonna work on your hair. So that itself, I don't like. I also don't like that the company promotes the products as, you know, like you're gonna get all this money if you become a market partner. The only way that you get money, like a lot of money, I would say, in commissions and make a significant amount of money out of this is if you recruit other people in. So is it a pyramid scheme? Yeah, I think it's a pyramid scheme, but I also think that a lot of jobs in general are pyramid schemes. You make 10% of your sales. So if someone spent $100, you're making $10 out of that sale. I don't like that the company promises so much when in reality, all you need to do is recruit people to work with you. That's the deal. The only way for you to make all this commission and all these bonuses is for you to bring people in. So I definitely did not like that. The reason why I decided to disassociate myself from MONAT or Monet or whatever you call it is their flagship. So let's say you place an order today. The company automatically wants you to refill that order within a specific time frame of 2 months. What happens if I don't want to place an order within 2 months? If you don't want to place an order within 2 months, then it's fine. However, the person that you placed an order with, market partner person, they're the ones on the back end that have to continue to move the date for you. I know I do that personally. So I've sold these products to family members, to people that don't know how to maneuver a computer. I've sold the products to people that I know on social media, and it's always the same complaint, hey, I don't want to order the products again yet. So even if that person thought oh, I really love these products, once they learn about this flagship, it's a turn off. They don't want to place any more orders because it's I don't want to deal with having to spend all this money every 2 months. And yeah, we can move it, and you can move it for up to a year, but every 2 months you have to continue moving the date, which is really, really annoying. And I have had people that forgot to move the date and have gotten charged. The product just automatically ships and your card is automatically charged. And that is just so frustrating to have to deal with that sort of system and that sort of that's a sales strategy, but it just sucks. It should be that, there should be some sort of snooze, and then you go back and you can put in the date. Overall, my opinion on the company is that the products, they're good. They do deliver. I do love some of their products. I haven't tried all of them. Personally, I've had a good experience. However, would I buy them on my own, knowing what I know now? I wouldn't. I would not buy them because I wouldn't want to deal with the back end of having flagship orders and having to deal with all of that nonsense. To me, I feel like there's more options out there. I'm the type of person that loves to switch it up. I love to try new products. I cannot fully commit to only using MONAT for the rest of my life. I can't do that. And that's the biggest turnoff for me. I can't do flagship. I can't commit to just using those products only because I know I can, see if there's others that are better out there. I don't want to bash the company. I don't want to seem like I'm bashing them. I feel like the company does a good job at having that type of atmosphere where people feel welcome. So I definitely have made great connections with people that sell MONAT products, and I've connected with them on social media, and they are truly nice women who want to do something on the side and make extra income, and more power to them, and I'm really supportive of that. I personally didn't see myself getting compensated enough for me to be doing this full time, or for me to be spending as much time as other women were spending on this company. But if you try the products, are they gonna make your hair fall out? Most likely no, they're not gonna make your hair fall out. I feel that after trying them, maybe if people had bad experiences with the products, maybe they were allergic to one of the ingredients, or maybe they're very sensitive to one of the ingredients. So that's something that if you have allergies, maybe you should look at, but not only with this brand, but with all of them in general. If you have any questions about the products, if you have any questions about the company, I'd be glad to answer them for you. But please remember, this is just my feedback on this company and the products. I'm not personally attacking anyone. I'm just sharing my opinion. If you don't like it, then oh well, but this is how I feel about it. So that's all for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any video recommendations, please make sure that you drop them in the comment box below. And remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get alerts when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.